Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy DJ, and I'm coming back to y'all with another video. I know y'all probably wondering though, man, the people that watched my other video, I know y'all probably wondering, when the hell is this motherfucker gonna make another video? Well, I'm gonna come out with another video soon, after this one at some point, of why I haven't been recording like that. And it's going to be a video going into depth on how I'm going to start recording and things like that. But yeah, that'll be the next video. Anyways, this video, as y'all see by the title, I got some things I'm finna install on Reaper, and I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all through the process. It's not gonna be like an in-depth process, but I still want to at least take y'all through it, let y'all see what I'm putting on him, see the little after, before and after. And yeah, just give y'all a little video, because for those that been waiting, I know it's some people that's been waiting, but I'm gonna give y'all something. So yeah, we finna go ahead and do that right now, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, as y'all see, we got the boy Reaper right here, and we got the goodies right here. Just a little bit, just a little quick something, like I said, some cosmetics we're gonna do to him, get him right. So as I be saying, if y'all like it, or comments, thoughts, whatever, just put them down in the comment section. Show your boy some love, let me know what y'all think about Reaper. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get into this install and get my boy right. So let's go ahead and get into this right now. We going head cam for this. All right, y'all, so first thing we're gonna do, we gotta go ahead and get this bumper off. I'm not gonna do an in-depth video showing how you do it, but like I said, we're gonna just do, I'm gonna take y'all through it with me, not in detail, and we're gonna go ahead and get this done so y'all can see the before and after. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bumper off, and then we'll get back to the video, or I'll get back to you guys and I'll walk y'all through the next step of what I gotta do and what I'm putting on. So let's go ahead and take this bumper off. All right, so first piece, when taking, I know I said I wasn't gonna walk y'all through it, but I'll give y'all like little quick clips here and there, just taking y'all through the process if you don't know how to take off your bumper, if you got a Camry. But that was the first piece to come off right there. So it's just 5 tabs, you pull them out, take that piece off, then we'll go ahead and get to the next step. Okay, so now I'm going from memory. The last time I took my bumper off, I watched a video, but I'm going from memory. So I remember the next step is you got to take one, I think it's a tab right here, a tab on the other side, and then it's tabs underneath the bumper. Take all of them out, and then that'll help with the bottom, releasing the bottom. All right, y'all, so my bad on saying it was tabs at the bottom. It was actually screws. It was 8 screws. The screws right there, 8 screws on the bottom, then the 2, 1 on each side. So take them out, then you take these 1, 2 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should be able to pull your bumper off with no issue. But there is one thing I want you to watch out for when taking your bumper off, and I'll show you in just a sec. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got the bumper halfway off, because the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to switch out this light for this replacement light I got. Don't know why it got so much water in it and it never went away, but I got a replacement for it from High-Ref. So about to take that off first, and then once I get that one switched out, I'll go ahead and take the whole bumper off and put those on. You guys will see what that is in just a second. Oh yeah, and what I was gonna say before, y'all, before I get into taking this light out, so one thing that I was told about, which kind of sucks with Toyotas, I don't know how true it is or not, or Camrys. You see this? I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but that's your sensor right there. And from what I know, they said if it gets disconnected or whatever, you have to get it reset, and that costs way too much fucking money to do for something so simple. So to prevent anything from resetting or whatever, or bugging out, I just simply unscrew it. There's a screw right here and right here and up here. I think that one is holding it in place too. Take them screws out and just let it hang whenever you take off your bumper, and once you put your bumper back on, just screw it back in. That way you know, alleviate any of them issues with the sensor or things like that. So just a food for thought. But let's go ahead and get back to this light once I disconnect that. All right, well, as y'all can see, I went ahead and took the bumper off first instead. I could have got the light out with it hanging halfway, but it just worked easier, not harder, you know, you feel what I'm saying? So I just went ahead and did that so I can go ahead and do what I do with the light. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get this started, and we'll go ahead and put everything in, get him hooked back up, and then we done. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this light off first. All right, y'all, so we got the new headlight in. Looks so much better without all that water in it. I noticed one thing though. So if you have the triple beam headlights for your Camry, look at this right here, this little clear area. I noticed, so I had both of these sent out at the same time. These came as a set when new. For some reason, this one is dirty in there, and I'm not sure why, but y'all see that? But this one isn't like that. This one is clean in there. So yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that light, but it has that, and I guess that's why it has water in it. But either way, High Rev looked out for your boy and sent out a new one. So shout out to High Rev Sports. They got some good ass you know, products for your car, and it's not just Camry. Go check them out, highrevsport.com. They don't sponsor me, I'm just shouting them out because, you know, they've been fucking with your boy. So anyways, yeah, we got that light in. I'm finna test it and make sure it's all good, and then we're gonna go ahead and put, hold on, drum roll, these fog light covers on. So I know a lot of people have been wondering, like with the 2021 and up, the Camrys, yeah, they don't have fog lights, but these are actually OEM. Toyota sells them. I guess they just didn't come on the cars when they first made them. So, but these are sold on a lot of Toyota, or the Toyota dealership I bought them from. Yeah, they're OEM, so they got warranty on them and they look good. It's a lot of Camrys I've seen on Instagram that's rocking these. I wasn't able to get them just yet because of, you know, my profession and what I do. So I didn't have the time to install them or nothing, but we're gonna go ahead and knock this out today. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to you guys in just a second. Let me go ahead and test this light out, make sure it's all good. All right, quick test. Oh, that was anticlimactic. Forgot you gotta hold it. Boy, this is anticlimactic as fuck. Okay, come on. Oh wait, I forgot. I got the damn bumper off. That's why the remote start ain't working. My dumb ass. All right, y'all. So after that little mishap, I'm sorry I'm so slow. Forgive me in my slowness. But yeah, so I went ahead and turned on the car. Everything works. All the lights work as they should. So that's good. So now I can go ahead and focus on these fog light covers. And to be honest, it's real simple. It's just basically popping out the old covers right here with these little tabs. Pop them out. Those go out. Pop the new ones in. It's just like one simple wiring plug and play harness, I believe, that plugs into your headlights, and that's it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get them installed. I'm not gonna walk y'all through that. Like I said, this is not really a hard process at all. So let me get them on right now. All right, y'all, just like that, the pieces are off. Like I said, nothing to it. It's just these tabs you gotta take off. Easily pluck them out. You don't wanna break nothing. Just, you know, take your time with it, but it is easy to do. And yeah, now I go ahead and put the news in. So I'm gonna sit these right here. Let's go ahead and get these new ones in. All right, and as y'all can see, I got the fog lights on. It wasn't really nothing hard. Like I said, it's just tabs that you're dealing with. So I'm about to go ahead and get this wiring, because this is the wiring for the for your fog lights. If you get these, it looks like all you gotta do is just stick it somewhere. But yeah, so nothing much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff on y'all, and then I'll come back to y'all on the outro of this video, let y'all see how the lights working and stuff, and we can go ahead and close this video down. So let's go ahead and do this shit. All right, YouTube, what's up? I'm back, and as y'all see, I got Reaper right there behind me. So yeah, it's nighttime now. I came across some issues. I don't want to talk about it. Nah. So when I was doing the accent lights right there, you see, they're not fog lights, they're accent lights. But when I was doing them, I was coming across some wiring issues. Not really with the fog lights, but it was more so with the headlight I replaced. Long story short though, I got it all good, and here's the car, a little quick B-roll of it. Y'all like the little changes that I made to the car. You know, it's nothing serious, but you know, cosmetics are always a nice thing, because it's them little things that make your car, you know, just pop and make you feel good about it. You feel me? But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video. Like I said, I got another video I'm gonna do soon to kind of explain plans I got, you know, my growth that I see on YouTube as far as me as a content creator, you know, things I got planned, things I got planned for this boy right here. And yeah, just, you know, next video is going to be more of a talk going into the next year type thing, and I want your guys, you know, opinion, and you know, chat with me about plans that you got, you know, going on into the new year. So that's what we're gonna do next time. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead, you know, I ain't really one to tell people to go ahead and like, because if you like it, then you're gonna like it. But hey, like, subscribe, show love in the comments to your boy, and hey, we're gonna go ahead and get out there, bitch. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day, whether you're watching this when it comes out, 2 weeks from later, a year from now, whatever. Just enjoy your day and have a good one. Stay blessed, and I'm out.